Quick funny story, that car door slamming back there reminded me of it. Back in 2012, I was interviewed for the Connections magazine, which is our church magazine. After the interview, we were going to a place where we could have a photo shoot so that they could put it in the magazine, and the person forgot something and had to go back to the church. So he yells out at me saying, "Don't steal my car." And it's like I don't even have a driver's license yet. Just to clarify, he was joking, but he had such a straight face.